Hello, you guys. Today, on the subject Professional English, we have a new theme, which is called Ohm's Law. About Ohm's Law and its formula you know from the subject Physics, but today we will pass it in English. Objectives of the lesson: to present new words and expressions concerning the theme and practice them in student speech, to develop student skills in reading, speaking, hearing, writing with the help of the new words, to bring up interest in gaining new information by doing exercises. So, what is Ohm's law? It is a formula used to calculate the relationship between voltage, current, and resistance in an electrical circuit. And what do these letters mean? V. Voltage, which is measured in volts. I. It is current, which is measured in amperes. R. It is a resistance, which is measured in ohms. There are some new words for you to learn. The first, current, current, электрический ток, resistance, resistance, сопротивление, voltage, voltage, напряжение, to suppose, предполагать, law, law, закон. So, the founder of this law, Georg Simon Ohm, was a German physicist born in Erlangen, Bavaria on 16th of March 1789. As a high school teacher, Ohm started his research with the recently invented electrochemical cell, invented by Italian Count Alessandro Volta. Using equipment of his own creation, Ohm determined that the current that flows through a wire is proportional to its cross-sectional area and inversely proportional to its length, or Ohm's law. Ohm's main interest was current electricity, which had recently been advanced by Alessandro Volta's invention of the battery. Ohm made only a modest living, and that as a result his experimental equipment was primitive. Despite this, he made his own metal wire, producing a range of thickness and lengths of remarkable consistent quality. As I've said, Ohm's law is a formula used to calculate the relationship between voltage, current, and resistance in an electrical circuit. Resistance, current, and voltage, all of them have their own formulas. So, resistance equals voltage divided by current, and current equals voltage divided by resistance. Voltage equals current times resistance. All of these formulas you must know by heart. If everything is clear, there are some tasks for you to do during the lesson. The first task: to solve the following problems using the formulas of Ohm's law. Here is a model. For example, current equals 5 ampere, resistance equals 10 ohms. And how much is the voltage? Voltage equals current times resistance, that is, 5 times 10 is 50 volt. Like this model, you are to solve all of these 6 problems. I think it is not so difficult for you. Then, it is a pair work. The second task is making up a similar problems of your own, and after that you will ask your groupmate to solve them. And home task: prepare the information about Georg Ohm and answer the following questions in written form. Who is Georg Ohm? What is his nationality? When and where was he born? What university did he study? What is he known for? What notable awards of Georg Ohm do you know? So, if everything is clear, I wish you good luck.